Good morning, doctor. My name is Feng Zhiqian. I will answer the question, how can conception, strategy, or practice enhance organizational resilience, especially in times of economic downturns and high external environment uncertainty? Economic downturns and external uncertainty present significant challenges for organizations, such as declining revenue, rising operational costs, and diminishing employee morale. Compensation strategy plays a pivotal role in not only resource allocation but also in fostering organizational resilience. Today, I will discuss two key compensation strategies, pay freeze and performance-based pay. We will explore their benefits, limitations, and how they impact employee morale and long-term organizational outcomes. By the end, I will provide the actionable recommendation for optimizing these strategies to strengthen resilience. Let's begin with pay freeze, which involves temporarily holding salary increase or adjustment. This strategy is commonly employed by organizations during financial challenge. Pay freeze offers several advantages. They help organizations control costs by reducing cash outflow and prioritizing essential operation. Compared to layoff, pay freeze, a general approach helps to retain key employees and maintain workplace stability. When applied informally, pay freeze can also foster fairness and reduce internal conflicts. However, this strategy also has some limitations. Extended pay freeze can erode employee trust and commitment, weakening morale. Additionally, companies may find it harder to attract top talents, which can impact their long-term competitiveness. A notable example comes from the COVID-19. Singapore Airlines faced several revenue losses due to travel restrictions. It mentioned a company-wide pay freeze instead of resorting to large-scale layoffs. Senior executive loyalty took part cards, demonstrating solidarity with the workforce. This transparent and unfair approach helps retain core talent, maintain employee trust, and keeps the organization operation during crises. By providing workforce stability, Singapore Airlines positions itself for a smoother recovery and restriction exit. Now let's turn to performance-based pay, a strategy that links employee compensation to individual team performance. Incentivizing higher productivity, this approach has several advantages. By rewarding high-performing employees, performance-based pay enhances submission and productivity. It also optimizes resource allocation by directing limited budget to top performers, maximizing efficiency. Furthermore, medical-based systems improve trust and perceived fairness in compensation decisions. Nevertheless, performance-based pay has challenges in uncertain environments. Developing fair and consistent performance standards can be difficult. Linked pay to performance may also increase stress, reduce team cohesion and morale. Finally, employees may promote immediate target or long-term objective, potentially misleading with organizational goals. Consider the example of Google during economic fluctuations. This company used performance boosts to maintain high level of innovation and productivity. For instance, in response to rapidly changing market conditions during the global economic slowdown, Google adjusted its performance evaluation measure to emphasize teamwork and collective success rather than individual achievement. This shift ensures that employees remain motivated with feeling overwhelmed by unrealistic expectations. By focusing on innovation and flexibility, Google not only retained its competitive edge but also fostered a collaborative work environment that encourages resilience. Three key theories provide insights into this strange. Equity theory suggests that pay freeze, when communicated transparently, can enhance participation of firm and mitigate disaffection. Motivation theory highlights that the performance-based pay boosts productivity but require clear standards to preventing frustration. Organizational resilience theory emphasizes that compensation strategy should balance cost control with talent retention to contribute to overall resilience. To optimize this change, I propose the following for papers. Organization should create a recovery plan with clear timeline for lifting them, offer non-money incentives such as career development, opportunities, and flexible work arrangement can help sustain employee morale during the freeze period. For performance-based pay, simply evaluation during the uncertain period and focus on team contribution can make this system more effective. Transparency in evaluation process is also essential to mitigate perceptions, phobias, and unfairness. Lastly, a hybrid approach can be particularly effective. Combining pay freeze and performance-based pay tailored to different departmental roles provides flexibility, introduce long-term incentives such as employee stock options or deferred bonus can align individual and organizational goals, boosting employee commitment. In conclusion, compensation strategies are a powerful tool for navigating economic downturns and external uncertainty. While pay freeze and performance-based pay each have unique strengths and limitations, their thoughtful design and implementation and can significantly enhance organizational resilience by focusing on domestic adjustment, transparent communication, and long-term objectives. Organization can balance cost control with talent retention, ensuring sustained success even in challenging times. These are my references. That's all. Thanks for listening.